Okay, so yeah, this is a continuation of what we did yesterday, and today we'll be looking at keyword difficulty. Yeah, keyword difficulty is a metric that measures the effort that it will take for you to rank for a specific keyword. Yes, that it measures the effort it will take for you to rank for a specific keyword on front page, on the first page of Google. If a keyword is difficult, it means that it will require more effort, more resources to rank on the first page. Ideally, for new websites that are just starting to grow, it is recommended that the target keyword with 0 to 5 KDs. This is because these are keywords that can easily be ranked for. You are not just starting out and you are targeting keywords that has a keyword difficulty of 30. You won't rank. Even if you would rank, you rank at the back. And your goal of doing keyword research is because you solely want to rank for that keyword on front page. Now, search volume. Search volume is the number of people, the number of search that is related to a specific keyword monthly. Yes, you can see where my cursor is toggled. So for Uber suggests they have like 40,900 search volume monthly. It measures the volume of search related to a keyword monthly. That is what search volume is. You are going to encounter most of these things in your keyword research. So what CPC? CPC is called cost per click. It is the amount that advertisers are willing to bid for a particular keyword. Yes, it's solely between publishers and advertisers. You can see this is an online advertising revenue model that websites use to bill advertisers based on the number of times that a visitor click on the ads. Yeah, Google AdSense they use CPC. Google AdSense use CPC. Okay, so what is GMB? You will see that GMB is a Google My Business account. I'm very sure that even if you're not an SEO specialist, you must have heard about Google My Business. Now, what Google My Business does is that it's a way for you to claim ownership of your business profile. Yes, it's a way for you to if you are offering if you whether even if you are offering I don't know what to call it now, a service that requires that people visit your primary location. Google My Business is your best go-to tool for that. And even at that, all websites you have a Google My Business profile, as this helps to boost local SEO. It helps to boost your rankings on it also helps to yeah it helps with quite a number of things, but yeah, that's what I'll be limiting it to. So thank you, bye, and watch out for my next video. And please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really need you to subscribe to it. Thank you.